Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can implement checkbox in your React Native application. So for this and more, like this video, share with friends, click on the subscribe button if you haven't, turn on your notifications, and let's get started. Alright, so I have my Metro bundler ready and I'm going to be scanning my QR code with my Expo Goal application so that I can run it on my physical device. So I'm just going to launch my Expo Go, and as you can see, this is how the interface looks. So I'm just going to click on scan QR code, and I'm going to scan my QR code. So as you can see, the application is now building. So whilst it's building, let's get to work. So I'm just going to go back to Expo Go, Expo documentation. Okay, so I'm just going to search for checkbox. So check, and down here we have Expo checkbox. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, it's a universal component that provides checkbox functionality. So we are just going to install. So I'm just going to copy that back to my projects, and I'm going to open a new terminal, and I'm going to paste and then install it. Okay. Whilst installing, we can just go back. So it's compatible across all platforms. Okay. And this is how we use it. So let's quickly do that. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, go back to my application, and beneath here I'm going to paste it right here. I'll just go back again, show more. Okay. So I'm just going to copy everything here inside the return. I'm going to replace, so let me pull this one down, replace all of this with that. Then let's copy the style. So I'm just going to copy everything here, and I'm going to replace this with that. And then we have to import the library. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything here, and I'm going to replace this with that. Okay, so I think we are done. So the next thing is to just save it. All right, so as you can see on my physical device, we have a couple of checkbox, right? So let me explain what the code is doing. So you have our main container, right? And inside it we have 1, 2, 3 checkbox. Okay, the first checkbox is just the normal checkbox. Okay, and okay, I'm coming. Let me just add some styles. So let me just add justify content, center, align items, center. Okay, so that it will just bring them to the middle for us. All right, so as you can see, we have the normal checkbox. Okay, with the normal checkbox, you just call the checkbox library, and then you implement it here. Okay, you apply your styles, you have your value, which is boolean. Okay, and then you have your function. Okay, just to change the boolean. Okay. And then down here we have a different one, but this time around we change the color as well. So based on the state of the boolean or the state of the checkbox, we change the color as well. Okay. And then the last one is basically the first one, the default one, right? But this time around we've added a new prop or additional prop called disable. Okay, so with the disable, it means when you click on it there will be no checkbox functionalities. Okay, so let's try it and see. So with the first one, when you click on the normal checkbox, as you can see, we have all the checkbox. Okay, it's just because they are all using the same variable. Okay, and then but as you can see, the first one, the normal color for it is green. Okay, but for the second one we've changed it to blue. Okay, and then the last one is disabled, that's why we have that gray color there. So when you toggle it, okay, you can see. So we can even change the color here. Let's change it to red, and as you can see now, as you can see now, it has changed to red. Okay, Yeah. So this is how you can implement checkbox in your React Native application. There are a couple of things, so you can just go to their documentation and read about all the props and then the types you have. Okay. I hope this video really helped. If it did, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, share it with friends, and see you in the next one.